Suppose company want net income $30,000. So how many units need to produce and sell? This can be determined by using goal seek tool. Click what if analysis arrow button, click goal seek. In set cell box, select this cell reference. Into value box, type 30,000. In by changing cell box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Again click OK. Company will earn net income $30,000 if it produce and sell units 8,762. Now enter 10,000 to return to the original units produced and sold projection. Press enter key.